Today, we're talking about masking, school avoidance, and attendance. This is a sensitive area. The goal here is understanding, not blame. A common misunderstanding is, they're fine in school, so home must be the issue. Or, they're just being difficult about coming in. But some pupils mask all day, then collapse at home. Or they cope until they can't, and then attendance falls sharply. Reframe avoidance as a safety response, not a behavior choice. Masking can look like forcing eye contact, copying peers, staying quiet to avoid mistakes, suppressing stims, smiling while distressed. Example: a pupil is polite, compliant, and never in trouble. Then suddenly, tears at the gate, stomach aches, refusal, non-attendance. This often means school has become associated with threat, even if no one intended harm. Threat can be social pressure, sensory overload, repeated misunderstandings, fear of humiliation, or constant effort. Attendance improves when school feels safer. If we respond with punishment, we increase threat. If we respond with curiosity and support, we reduce threat. This is also about protecting long-term outcomes, mental well-being, learning, and relationships with education. Gentle steps back to safety. 1. Notice patterns, not labels. When does avoidance spike? After PE? After lunch? On days with supply? After detentions? 2. Create a safe base in school, a named adult, a predictable check-in, a calm space, not as a reward, as a support. 3. Reduce the all-or-nothing demand. If full timetables are too much, consider phased reintegration with the Senko and pastoral team. Start with one safe lesson or one safe hour, and build. Script for families. We want to understand what school feels like from your child's side. Let's work together on safety first. Some pupils don't avoid school because they don't care. They avoid because it has started to feel unsafe. If you'd like practical next steps, I run free monthly 1-hour online sessions via Eventbrite, and I also deliver training for educators and school teams across the UK.